Are you a local business wondering how you're ranking locally amongst the competition when it comes to search engine optimization? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you what our company Merged Media has created for you, a local business, to receive a free local report. This is a gift to you. Thanks to the power of AI, we're able to create these very easily at scale. Let's dive in. All right, so if you go to the domain merge.ca/free-local-seo-report, you're going to land on this page. And I'm just going to grab a local business that I recently met at an event. Let's see here. J2 LED flashlight. So you'll see pretty much any business that exists on the planet. If you are found on Google, you're going to be found through this tool. And I found it here on the Danforth. This is the one. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that report. Now it's going to take a few minutes to get the report, but all you have to do is go ahead and confirm those business details. And once you have that all correct, then you can easily just go to create my report. All right, so now it's going through the process of creating that report. All you need to do is submit your name. I'm going to send it to myself here. And from there, I should receive this report in a matter of minutes. All right, so the report is going to include a few different elements, including links and website authority, rank tracker, on-site SEO, local listings and reviews, plus Google Business Profile Audit. So right now, as it does that scan, I'm going to wait patiently here, and I will come right back to you with the results. Now, once you patiently wait and receive the email, you're going to see the subject line, view your free local SEO report now. Simply, you're going to go to view report now, which is going to pull up your actual report. Now, what's great about this is you're going to get a summary at a glance of how your website is performing on the links and authority, rank tracker, local listings, reputation management, GPB audit, which is Google Business Profile Audit, and on-site SEO. From there, you can see your links and website authority in comparison to your competition, which is obviously important. You get all the data on your website age as well. This is great, especially for a lot of people that are maybe acquiring a business. This is a fantastic tool just to kind of get a pulse check on how things are going online with the business. But for yourself, you're going to see some of the keywords. Obviously, not a whole ton of keywords that are being optimized for this specific business, but I'm sure if you have a service-based business, you're going to see a lot more keywords that you could be ranking for, depending on the industry that you're in. Local business listings, you're going to see which listings and citations where your business is visible. This is going to be a great opportunity to go out there and fulfill these citations if you are not listed on some of these high authority sites. Also, reviews, getting kind of a pulse check on how things are going with your reviews, very important as well. And those top review sites that might be driving awareness and attention to your business. And then your last 10 reviews, this gives you a glance in terms of what your reputation is like over the last little bit. And then your Google Business Profile Audit. This is where you're looking at competition to see how they're stacking up, and you can easily access their pages as well through this. You might even find some competitors that you didn't think were competitors, but are going for some of those keywords that you might be looking to rank for. Now, the next part's on-site SEO, where you go Google Page Speed Score amongst a lot of the other technical SEO fields, which you might want to, you might not be that interested in this section. You might want to seek out some questions or get some questions in front of your SEO expert about this specific section, especially if your technical SEO is lagging behind. And then moving on, you got your actual SEO, your page titles, descriptions, open graph tags, Twitter card tags. This is great information for us as an SEO company, so we can go in there and make the tweaks, or actually we like to call it like low-hanging fruit, make those adjustments real quick in month one to ensure that the foundation of your website is in a good position for consistent growth. Mobile responsiveness is very important. If you don't have a mobile responsive website in 2025 and 2026, what are you doing? Especially when majority of traffic going to your website nowadays is typically coming from a mobile device. So you can get all that information in literally 5 minutes. All you have to do is just go to that website. Again, it is merged.ca/local-free-SEO-report, and that's where you can get it. Check it out in the comment section as well. We'll make sure it's linked there so you can go and get that free report. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. And if you do have any questions about local SEO or how your business is actually ranking in the SERP, feel free to reach out. Happy to help. Till next time, see you soon.